Welcome! Today we're going to replace the drum on your Brother HL L2460DW. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. To begin, open the front cover. Allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. Remove the drum and toner assembly and place it on scrap paper. Be careful not to touch the surface of the roller. Press the green lock lever to separate the drum and toner. Remove the replacement drum from the packaging. Insert the toner into the drum module. Listen for the lever to click. Slide the green handle back and forth several times to clean the corona wire. Ensure the handle is locked in the left position. Reinstall the drum and toner unit into the machine. Close the front cover. Press the up key and OK button. Now press OK. Press the up key to reset the drum. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.